doing your guys' questions and dares. So the first dare, or the first question is, how many fandoms have I joined? I've only joined the Five Nights at Freddy's fandom. My favorite fandom is Five Nights at Freddy's fandom. My favorite Afton is Elizabeth. Siblings. I have 2 other siblings. My ex-best friend actually inspired me to make videos. I do have a crush, but you're not getting her name. I'm not doing this one because makes my head spin. Bye. I have to make an OC with my eyes closed. Never make OCs with your eyes closed.